All right, y'all, we back at it again. Annual Pressure with a Purpose, put on by yours truly, man under pressure. Got Crown Pressure Washing. We got Georgia Chemical Equipment out here representing. And we got Sunbright out here. We got Enhanced Exteriors out here. And we got Wet and Wild showing up over there. Come Wet and Wild, Nick. He over there. Yes, indeed. Whose birthday is it?
Nick's birthday.
Oh, I know he happy than a mother. That's the Savage right there. Birthday boy showing up. Live and uncut, baby. There he is. There he is. There's the Savage. What's up, man? What's up, guy?
Shit.
Ah, yeah. Beautiful, bro. This is how we do. Happy birthday, Nick, for sure. Yep, man. This is what we do, y'all. This is what we do. Blast coming from Tennessee. Set up. Yes, indeed. Let's go.